This is the question practical session DBMS. So I'm going to do the fourth question. So this is the fourth question. You have given the initiative to develop the school system of Kagalu Mahavidyalaya. Your part in this software is to create a database. With this software you can easily manage all student information, all teachers information, and class students, class schedules, etc. So in the first question I have to create a database called Kagalu Vidyalaya DB. I have to draw it as a ER diagram. In the second question I have to create two tables called student and guardian. And third one I have to create the relationship between student and guardian table and also to mark it in the ER diagram, and the teacher and the subject table to create, and I have to create the relationship between subject and the teacher too. Okay, so let's start building. I'm going to open the workbench. I'm going to open new module. Going to name it Kagalu Balika Kagalu Vidyalaya DB. And I'm going to add diagrams. First I have to create two tables. I'm going to add two tables. First one is student. First column is index number. Data type is varchar and length is 10. Then the first name, and varchar 45. Then the last name, and varchar 45. Then again gender, it's varchar 10. Then contact number, and it's varchar 10. Lastly the address, and it's varchar 60. So it is only the student table, and the index number is the primary key in the table. The second table is guardian. The first column is guardian ID. It's varchar 10 ID. Second column is first name. First name varchar 45. Third column last name. So varchar 45 too. Get gender. gender is vacha 10, and contact number. Contact number is so vacha 10. Then that's it for the guardian table and the student table. So in the third question, I have to name the relationship between two tables, students and the guardian. So in here there will be one or two students with the same guardian. So in that way we can create one-to-many relationship. So there will be no many guardians for one student, but there will be one guardian for many students. So I'm going to create the relationship into many to one. So there will be the column name guardian ID. So that is the relationship between the student and the guardian table, as mentioned in the third question. In the fourth one, I have to create another two tables called teacher and the subject, and add another two tables. First one is teacher. First column is teacher register. Teacher register number is vacha and 10. Second one is first name and vacha 45, and third last name, it's also vacha 45, and gender is only vacha 10. Then contact number, it's vacha 10, and the last one email, and it's vacha 50. So it is teachers table. Then the table is subject. Subject tables. First column is subject ID. Subject ID is vacha, and one is subject name. It's vacha 45, and I have to create the relationship between teacher and subject table. So in here there will be many teachers teaching the same subject, and there will be many subjects by teaching one teacher. Yeah, that is possible too. So I'm going to make a many-to-many relationship between those two tables, and I'm going to modify it by removing the primary keys. So in here we can put the teacher by subject from this table. So there will be a many-to-many relationship between teacher and the subject, and I'm going to forward engineer the database. Next. Okay, then queries. The next it was created when we go to the databases. In the databases there will be Kaggle with the LADP, the tables, guardian, teacher has subject table of the tables. Okay, that's it for the question 4.